So we've got one of these on each floor of the Shook family compound. One of my favorite inexpensive Mossberg 500s. 5 in the tube, 1 in the pipe, 6 on board, plus whatever you've got in your carrier. I've got this loaded up with buckshot at home. Today we're using birdshot because we can't shoot buck on the range. We'll try it in the dark now with our SUREFIRE. We'll try this with the SUREFIRE EDC 1000 lumen light. Everybody keeps pulling these things out, showing off with them. I've actually seen a dude deer hunt with one to show that you can actually hit stuff. If you're gonna have it, if you're gonna use it to try to defend yourself, you better be able to hit shit. Let's see if we can. Take it off. What we're trying to do is give you an overview so that you understand that these are not an end-all be-all weapon that's a magic wand that you just point in the general direction of a bad guy and it stops him. You need to intentionally aim this firearm.